am. Priyank is
You see
coming.
me?
There he is. I can, Priyank. How are
You were supposed to make me cry. The things you were saying, great things about me, guys. First of all, let me tell you, I remember meeting him for the first time. I used to address him as
There you
Sir,
go on
Neeraj
those
Sir.
words.
He was
I
like,
will kill you,
don't call me
Priyank.
Sir, don't call me
Yes,
Sir, call me
it is
Neeraj.
Neeraj. It
Alright?
is
So
Neeraj.
since then,
That time
so
it was
that's,
2.6, now it is 3.3. You want me to
oh
start?
God, oh God. He's talking about my followers, imagine, guys, and he doesn't
मतलब
know. So
अब देखो
he
ना
is
इतना बड़ा
way, way,
आदमी
way
है
too senior. 1 second, Neeraj,
इतना
no.
बड़ा
He's
आदमी
way
है
too senior.
3.3
He's way
मिलियन
too
फॉलोअर्स
experienced.
वाला
No, it is. I told you, followers are nothing. It's just that
No,
unfollow. Like this is what
it's
we are talking about
yes,
today, right?
exactly. Now you know
How
why
have
you're
you been?
here.
First of all, you're looking so
I am
nice. You're
I'm
looking so
just
fresh.
thank
Like
you.
it's so
I'm
good.
just
How's your quarantine going on?
quarantine is going well. Quarantine has kind of helped me. You know how there are two ways only to look at it. या तो बैठ
Right.
के रोते रहो क्या हो गया क्या हो
True.
गया क्या हो
या
गया
तो मजे
या
मजे से जियो
या मजे से
मजे
जियो
करो
and
अपना
plan out
एग्जैक्टली
how can you cope up with it. How
ट्रू
have you been doing? How have you been, Priyank?
आई हैव बीन डूइंग ग्रेट या ऑनेस्टली
You are
नीरज
glowing as ever,
हाँ I'm just
and
getting a good light right now I
oh,
think
oh
it's
my god.
that's why
No, you glow
so
without the light as well. Very few
thank
faces
you
that don't
thank you
need a light to glow.
thank
You
you
glow
thank
from
you thank you so
inside.
much you too
Yes.
it's just about inner
Thank
peace
you.
and inner happiness they
Exactly.
all like I can say the same thing about you also so
Exactly.
but quarantine is going fab again like how you said that we all have choices to there are always two choices in life
Exactly.
either to actually
Exactly.
deal with it and
Yeah.
then either go completely mad
Yeah.
because this is
Yeah.
happening so I'm like keeping it calm and I honestly I'm liking it
Yeah. And
because
we have
I'm
all
spending a lot
seen
of time at home
with
not doing
Benafsha.
much things not really I really not really I wish he was here I really wish he was here I really wish he was
Congratulations, by
here
the way.
thank you thank you
Congratulations are in order.
thank you so much thank you
No,
how have you
that's
been though what's
life is
happening
good. Life is a blessing. Like I tell everybody, सर पे छत है, प्लेट में खाना है, पहनने को कपड़े हैं और सेहत
True.
मेरे साथ है.
We should
ये
be
चार
actually be
चीजें हैं.
grateful right now that we all have
Exactly.
these things.
Exactly. And you
So,
know, I have to tell you, since the post has gone out, Priyank,
all right,
you know it much more than I do. The
all right.
amount of love that you have.
It's a
I
blessing.
mean, you
It's a
you are
blessing.
truly, truly, truly blessed. And
I'm
always remember this.
grateful.
If
I'm
you
always grateful. Thank you.
you are I can't tell you the number of people who've gone ahead and written to me saying that thank you so much for bringing him on. And I'm
That's
like,
so sweet. That's
it's
so
it's
sweet.
so sweet of him to agree to
That's
come
so
on.
sweet. That's
So
so sweet.
thank you
No,
so
no,
much.
it's all you. It's all you. It's not me.
So
It's a pleasure.
yes,
I'm telling you. It's a pleasure
yeah.
for me to be and coming over here.
Thank you. Thank
So
you.
please tell me
Okay,
once
so
for all.
Priyank, so
Yes.
before we were starting, I was just going ahead and saying that,
Yeah.
it was very sad of the past few days. We
Yeah.
lost two very important
Yeah.
people of
Yeah.
the
True.
entertainment industry, Mr. Irfan Khan and Mr. Rishi Kapoor. Very
True.
senior, very respected members of our society. So I was just saying that, you know what, may they rest in peace
Yeah.
because very beautiful people and great artists.
True.
So we all belong to the same fraternity. Would you like to say a line or so?
It is first of all very saddening because we all have been fans. Like, I
Priyank,
was
your
watching.
connection is coming and going.
1 second, 1 second. Is it better now? Is it better by any chance now?
Yeah.
Is it
It's
better,
much better now.
Neeraj?
Yeah, it's
Much
continuing
better.
now. Yeah.
So talking about Neeraj sir and
It's
Irfan sir,
better.
first
It's
of all,
better. Much better.
talking about Rishi sir and Irfan
Rishi
sir,
Kapoor sir and
yeah, Rishi sir
I am
and
still,
sorry, my
yeah.
bad, my bad. But it's really sad because
That's all right.
first of all, talking about we just lost a great artist like who was just not representing India,
Yes.
on a level of just not
Yeah.
Bollywood. He was representing like India at the stage globally over there because he's done so many projects out
Yes.
there. So talking about as an artist, I
Yes.
think that's the biggest loss, we have had today. And like
Yeah.
since I don't know them personally, both of them,
Yeah.
but I've been a great fan of their work, especially
Yeah.
Irfan sir, because they were like more related to my generation
Yeah.
that time.
Yeah.
And my father, on the other side, have been a
Rishi
more,
ji.
inclined
Yeah.
to for Rishi sir.
Yeah.
So, I totally understand, like, looking at my mom and my father, like, so
Yeah.
upset
Yeah.
when Rishi
Yeah.
sir actually
Yeah.
went.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God, sir had
Yeah.
a great following. I've seen so many movies also
Yeah.
of
Yeah.
him.
And he's such a
The
wonderful. I mean,
kind of love, exactly,
yeah.
it's just unbelievable to carry it their entire lives. So it is so
It
sad that we have
yeah.
lost them today.
It humbles you when you see so much of luck. It just humbles you.
Exactly,
Yeah,
it humbles
yeah,
you. It just puts
yeah,
you down on the ground.
yeah,
But at
yeah.
the same time, I don't know what is happening. This 2020 is starting. I don't know what a not a great year to start. Honestly,
I,
2020 also, and back to
but
back 2 days
yeah,
these
yeah, yeah.
incidents
But
have
I believe
happened.
जब
So
जब जो जो
not a
होना है तब तब
great
सो
day.
सो होता है. Life
True
moves
that.
on, and
True that.
and so we also need to kind of move on in the same spirit. We will also carry on with this thing. So, like I was telling all of you, now Unfollow is a series which basically goes ahead and has conversations with people जो कि अपनी जिंदगी एक रेगुलर जिंदगी जहां पे उनका कोई ऐसा बैकग्राउंड नहीं है, जहां पे बहुत सारे अलग तरह के प्रेशर्स होते हैं उनके ऊपर, बट दे स्टिल गो अहेड, गो विद द गट फीलिंग, और उनको जो लगता है उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है, दे पॉलिश ऑन दैट, एंड देन दे हैव मेड वेयर दे आर टुडे. So
Yeah.
similarly, today we have Priyank with us.
Thank you.
Priyank, before I go ahead and kind of continue with this conversation, आप सब बहुत प्रियांक को प्यार करते हो और शायद मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा प्रियांक के बारे में जानते हो. फिर भी जो लोग थोड़ा बहुत नहीं जानते उनको बता दूं, प्रियांक दिल्ली से हैं. प्रियांक ने अपना करियर शुरू किया था एज अ डांसर फ्रॉम शामक दावर अकेडमी. देन ही स्टार्टेड कोरियोग्राफिंग एज वेल. देन ही मूव्ड इनटू एक्टिंग विद प्यार तूने क्या किया. He did 2 seasons of that. Then he went ahead, and 2017 was a year where it was one after the other. Priyank became the reality king of the country. And then after that, he went ahead and did Lal Ishq, Punch Beat, and you know what? This is just the beginning. We all know there is much, much, much more to come from him. So Priyank, now coming to you.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक तो पहले प्लीज नीरज बोलो.
Neeraj, yes, Neeraj, yes, Neeraj.
Yes, otherwise I'll also start addressing you as sir. So Priyank, जब हम, because you know I was also born in Delhi, so हमें पता है वहां पे you know there are many, and I'm not belittling anybody, but there are many good looking guys who have these aspirations. बट वहां पे आपको दूसरी तरफ फैमिलीज के अंदर बिकॉज उतना एक्सपोजर नहीं है, सो एवरीबडी गोज अहेड एंड टेल्स यू अरे नहीं ये नहीं, अरे यू नो व्हाट बर्बाद हो जाओगे, अरे ऐसा नहीं, अरे वैसा नहीं. सो टुडे द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज प्रियांक, हाउ डिड यू क्रॉस ऑल दोज बैरियर्स and how did you become Priyank Sharma you were today? You are nationally known.
Yeah.
So how did that happen?
Neeraj, you started in a very good note, and I would like to, contradict on that. I want to put a point of view there. Like,
Please.
you said it correct that, like, especially people from North,
Yeah.
they are idealistically good looking if you see in this country.
Yeah.
Except for India, like,
Yeah.
I don't see people going much on good looks. They are
Yeah.
much on,
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
if you're
yeah,
a great
yeah.
personality, I feel that you're anyway very good looking. You know,
Can I
it
just say one
changes
thing?
the
I'm very
entire
happy.
thing.
I'm very happy you picked on that point because I
Yeah,
wanted
because-
to come out. You
because
wouldn't have said it,
people-
I would have said it.
Huh,
Yeah.
exactly. People because need to understand, that good looks are at till a point in life. कब तक आपको एक
Yes.
just boost दे देते हैं, it's just that. And India में एक चीज
Yeah,
है,
so no.
typical fair.
Yeah.
Fair looking boys and cute looking boys. So yes, I obviously had a lot of advantage of all of this also. Yes, because
Yes. Yes.
girls, they go ahead, they really, really like me and makes a great
Yeah.
fan base.
Yeah.
Typical age group.
Yeah.
So, but
Yeah.
at the same
Yeah.
time, I just really want to say that, I always had a sense, maybe because of my education, I would say,
Yes.
or maybe that awareness of my parents,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
told me that
yeah,
they always
yeah.
wanted me to incline towards becoming a great personality. What it lacks
Fantastic.
in most of the people in Delhi, they are most of the times okay, chalo theek hai, hame good looking banna hai, and all of that. Like I remember I wouldn't have given a TED talk with you.
Yeah,
with people
exactly.
Like you, if I would have been
Exactly.
the best looking guy also, honestly. It is not about that. If we see on a
Yes.
bigger picture, So
Yes.
I think that awareness was there, and a lot of people, they lack that awareness. Number one, they think that if they are good looking, either first of all they are
Right.
stuck to a particular dad's
Yeah.
business or like family
Yeah.
business,
Yeah.
because they are
Yeah.
not obviously aware like how to come ahead, especially when it comes to
yeah.
जो
Yeah.
बच्चे कुछ रह जाते हैं उनको लगता है सिर्फ
हाँ,
बिकॉज
हाँ.
गुड लुकिंग की वजह से ही हम चलो मूवीज में एंट्री कर लेंगे और मे बी वेब
हाँ.
सीरीज दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट दैट यू
Yeah.
हैव टू बिकम एन एक्टर यू हैव टू बिकम एन आर्टिस्ट
Exactly.
फर्स्ट और अ होल एज अ
Exactly.
पर्सनालिटी फर्स्ट देन एवरीथिंग जस्ट काउंट हो जाती है जस्ट एड्स ऑन इट जस्ट
Exactly.
एड्स ऑन
Exactly. But
So these-
when you decided, so when you decided that, okay, you know what, I want to do this, were there any things from the outside कि मत करो, अरे, you know what, पढ़ो लिखो, या मत करो ऐसा, there are a lot of people who go there जो बर्बाद हो जाते हैं. What was telling you that you should go ahead and do this?
So obviously the people I was with throughout, because I was always, in my schooling, I was a dancer more. So
Okay.
most of the dancers, we are like already very aware of
Yeah. Where
of
you
our
want to go.
confidence, where
Exactly.
we want to go. So I
Yes,
on the
yes.
first go, I was
Yeah.
pursuing my software engineering. So I wanted to become
Fantastic.
a choreographer and a dancer in Delhi.
Okay.
I
Okay.
was not the boy who had great dreams, and because there was no guide, like no one to
हाँ,
guide me
हाँ,
towards that.
हाँ,
होना होगा,
हाँ,
हो जाएगा.
हो
But
जाएगा,
it
ठीक
is
है.
all about, sometimes I don't know if people believe in this, but you sometimes ask the universe so much for that particular thing, because I know that I've asked it for so much since I was a child. It
आप जब
just
तहे
guided
दिल से
me.
मांगो तो पूरी कायनात उसके
पूरी
पीछे लग
कायनात मिल
जाती
जाती
है.
है. That is true because it has happened to me. That's why.
It's
Because
happened to me.
मुझे
We are two live examples
exactly.
sitting here.
So मतलब इतना मांगा बचपन से लेके जब तक मैं बड़ा हुआ, तो I feel that universe show me the path.
Wow.
And
Wow.
I was a big child also at the same time, because I never decided I wouldn't have left Delhi and come, because I was comfortable there. I was
Yeah.
not the one who was supposed to take some risk. Now I can, because now,
Yeah.
okay, I've seen much of the world.
Sorry.
I've understood a lot of things.
Yeah.
But that time I never had those guts to actually leave, Delhi
The
and
comforts of Delhi and
comfort
move.
zone, and to all the way from Bombay to see
Yeah,
the
yeah,
life from
yeah.
new, starting it from very big.
हाँ.
But it's just that I feel that universe has really guided me a lot. And
Very good.
I was
Very
picked from Delhi. Like I got a show when I was in Delhi, which doesn't usually happen with a lot of people.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
but that show didn't happen. Was supposed to come on ZTV. That
Yeah.
show unfortunately didn't happen. I today think that it was a great call that that show didn't happen that time, and
Yeah,
I
yeah.
ended up going to reality shows like
Yes.
Movies,
Yes.
Splits
Yes.
and Big
Splitsvilla,
Boss
yeah.
in a
Yeah,
year.
yeah, yeah,
It's all
yeah,
about
yeah.
stars, I feel.
Yeah, yeah.
I
And the
was
other
just
thing is-
present there at the same time. It was everything was just correct, Neeraj.
Priyank,
Otherwise-
you're just being humble. You know
that is
what?
so true.
People
Like,
who
I
arrive,
think
no,
that's so
but
true.
I also believe in people who arrive somewhere in life, they are also undergoing through their preparations. जैसा आपने
Yeah,
बोला, you were a
Yes.
dancer, you knew that, so you were preparing yourself.
I was
and-
preparing myself.
Because I remember the conversation we had during our flight to Bhubaneswar. And I
Yeah,
remember
yeah,
it
yeah.
very clearly. And I know that somewhere you knew where it will go, but because you were so well prepared, you had a direction for yourself. That is how the universe helped, I think.
My aim was very.
You knew your aim. You knew it
that
very
मुझे पता है
clearly.
यही करना है. जहाँ पे
Exactly.
भी करना है मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे करना यही है.
करना यही.
Thanks to my
That
dancing,
is-
because that introduced, and especially when I was at Shamak,
Yes.
Shamak
Yeah.
Towers International,
Yeah.
that stage is so big. It
Yeah,
just like
yeah,
makes
yeah,
your
yeah.
dreams out there, and it just makes it even more easier. So it just
Exactly,
started connecting my dots, slowly and gradually, and I started, walking towards my, dreams and the aim. So I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
it has happened through that.
So guys, did you listen to this? आपको ये पता होना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहते हो. You need to go after that. वो बोलते हैं ना, कर्म किए जा, फल की चिंता मत कर. It's a live example sitting here in front of you. Priyank just went ahead and said, okay, you know what? I want to go ahead and be in the dancing bit, in the entertainment bit. I will continue my path and let's see how universe comes and helps. And that's exactly what happened. लोग अपने आप की सुनते नहीं हैं. That's the problem.
Yeah, that's also true. Like, Neeraj, you must be knowing it. Like,
Yeah.
there are shows out there happening.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot of times, sometimes when you're struggling, when you're
Yeah.
just there trying to make your name,
Yeah. Yeah.
you end up doing things which are just the extended things of,
Yes. Yes.
related
Yeah.
to the art.
आप 50 चीजें करते हो,
doing
उसमें से कोई दो
wedding
चलती हैं.
choreographies. Yeah. So I was
Simple.
completely into choreographies. So I remember doing wedding choreographies just because it was
Yeah.
great money. So it just adds up, and it's all an experience of you working. It's beautiful.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
Exactly. Because only when you experience life, life comes to you. If you stop experiencing life, life stops coming to you.
Coming to you.
That is the meaning of this.
Yeah.
Okay, now, अब ये प्रियांक शर्मा दिल्ली से बॉम्बे आ गए.
जी
अब बॉम्बे आके आपने पहले तो जो है प्यार तूने क्या किया 2 सीजन्स किए. बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई यू डिड देम, बिकॉज समवेयर वी ऑल नीड दैट फुट इन द डोर.
True that.
उसके बाद यू डिड, एंड इट्स जितना ज्यादा सच ये लोग सुनेंगे उतना ज्यादा सीख पाएंगे. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग डायरेक्टली टू द पॉइंट. आई एम नॉट मिक्सिंग माय वर्ड्स हियर.
Please go ahead.
Then in 2017 you became the reality king of the country.
Yeah,
You
it's like-
started with roadies,
And
you moved into
imagine-
Splitsvilla,
So that's
and then you
why-
went into
yeah.
Big Boss.
Big Boss.
So what was the motivation and what was the thought behind that?
So
There is
I'll
a
tell you,
plan. I want to hear the plan.
There's a plan, I'm telling you. So basically the plan was that now that by that time, जैसे Bombay आया ना 6 महीने, because I remember those ZTV people were trying to make me prepare for that show.
Priyank, your camera's again stuck now.
One second. Is it by any chance better?
Say something now, please.
Is it better, Neeraj?
Yes, it's much better. It's working.
better?
Hanji,
It's better?
Hanji.
Can you see me?
No, your camera got stuck. I think it's the Wi-Fi connection, maybe.
One second.
But now it's fine.
TV.
Priyank, now it's
Is it
fine.
better? Perfect.
Hanji.
So me talking about coming from Delhi and going reality shows, I would
Yes.
say पहली बात, I was trying to figure myself.
We all
Roadies
are.
एक तुक्का था. Roadies
Okay.
एक तुक्का था, honestly, because it
Very
was
good.
very few days before it, I decided that okay, चलो Roadies चलते हैं. But at the same time,
Yeah.
I was 25. I was
Yes.
24 that time.
Yes.
I was 24 when I went for my Roadies auditions. I was
Yes.
well prepared in every form, physically,
Yeah.
mentally somewhere,
Yeah.
with my art form.
Yes.
I was there because I've spent some 5 to 6 years straight training myself into dancing, working with the best dance company out there of India. So I already had that experience of,
Yes.
how to hold myself since I'm a
Exactly.
performer. So it makes it easier for
Yes.
us to stand on stage with at least that
Yeah.
confidence.
हाँ,
So
बिल्कुल.
I always had that
बिल्कुल.
confidence
Yeah,
कि हाँ, camera तो हम face कर लेंगे, but nothing like that. I went, gave my auditions, went, great auditions, did great in Roadies, people loved me.
Yes.
Then splits happened, Big Boss.
Yes.
This was all connected. एक ही
Yeah.
लेकिन aim था that समझ आ गया था उन 6 महीने के टाइम पे कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है और मुझे दरवाजे
good.
खोलने हैं, मुझे I have to reach at the proper place where am I supposed to get placed, और वो हुआ Big Boss के बाद. As soon as I finished Big Boss, Neeraj, I felt that this is for me in India at least. Reality shows का तो end है. Reality show for me, I don't think so can
उससे बड़ा
help
कोई
me
नहीं है.
any other. हाँ.
उससे बड़ा
और
कोई है ही नहीं.
Show help भी नहीं
है भी
करता. Now
नहीं,
it's
हाँ.
up to my shoulders completely.
Yes,
Like how will I, encash it? Because
Yes.
I feel that I have reached and I have knocked every door
Yes.
of
Yes.
the industry
Yes.
out there.
Yes.
At
Yes.
least people have some idea that who Priyank is. So now it's
Sir,
up
you
to
are a
my
national
capability.
face. Sir, nationally you are known, sir. Sir, don't be humble, sir. You are nationally known.
I got naturally, little bit of fame.
Again,
which
you're
I
stuck.
got. Better, is it? One sec.
No, Priyank, I think it is your Wi-Fi connection, maybe.
One second. Neeraj?
I can still see you. Yeah, now okay. Now start talking.
Is it
then we'll see.
much
Yeah, I
better
can
now?
see you
Huh,
moving now.
perfect.
Hanji, I can see you
Okay.
moving now. Yeah.
So it just happened then and there. As soon as I think I've knocked every door of the industry, coming back to that.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
now it's on my shoulders and my capability and my hard
Yeah.
work.
Yeah.
How to take it, from here now.
Yeah.
इधर तक प्रियांक आ चुका है. I feel now to take
Priyank,
it.
you're
really,
again gone. Something
is it
there's
fine?
some.
By
It's
any
moving.
chance?
Yeah. Now you're talking. Yeah.
Huh,
Now I
finally,
can see you moving.
finally, yeah.
Let's just
I
hope.
don't know what is
yeah.
wrong. I don't know.
It's the Wi-Fi
In case
connection.
if it happens again, I can put the call down. I can
Huh.
send a request again. Is that fine with you, Neeraj?
Yeah. I'll send you the request.
do
Yeah.
that?
If you go off, I'll send you the request again, and then you join. Should I
In
do
case
that?
if it happens again, if it in case happens
अच्छा,
again,
ठीक है.
है ना? We'll
ठीक
do
है,
it. Okay.
ठीक है.
So
Done,
let me
done.
resume.
Okay, done.
So
हाँ जी.
I remember knocking the door and just coming back. So I feel that reality shows से हो गया. Now it's on my shoulders, capabilities and hard work. कि मैं अब उस नॉच को कितना और ऊपर लेके जा
और ऊपर लेके जा सकते
So
हैं.
it is completely on me now. Like I don't
Yeah.
see there's anybody else guiding. जितना universe का काम था, जितना भी everything is there.
Now
I
it's
know
you.
the way. I know the way. It's on my
Yeah.
shoulders and how I will now take it forward.
Yeah.
So it is all that now.
Guys, did you hear? आज की डेट में भी प्रियांक इतने हम्बल हैं कि इतना कुछ मिलने के बावजूद भी वो आज भी ये साफ साफ बोल रहे हैं कि मैंने अपना एक गेम प्लान बनाया है. उस गेम प्लान की वजह से मैं इस देश का सबसे बड़ा रियलिटी शो कर पाया. बट नाउ टू गो एंड मेक इट बिग इन द एक्टिंग थिंग, आई हैव अ प्लान दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक फॉरवर्ड. इसे कहते हैं प्लानिंग. आप लोग जो बोलते हो ना कि हमारे पास कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लैक इन रिसर्च एंड प्लानिंग. आई एम टेलिंग यू आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस. So Priyank has done his research and he's planned as well. That takes me to my next question now.
Please.
आफ्टर बिग बॉस आपने जाके किया सीरियल लालिश किया. लालिश के बाद आपने जो डिजिटल के अंदर जो आपको बहुत बड़ा पुश आया वो आया
Punchbeat.
पंचबीट.
Yeah, Punchbeat. True that.
Priyank, you're again gone. Should I? So you disconnect?
One
No, you're there. Now you stay there. Now you're there. हाँ जी. Then आया Punch Beat.
Punch Beat, yeah.
Punch Beat. How did you decide that after doing Big Boss on Colors, okay, that you want to go ahead, and what was that plan? What was that thought? कि अच्छा मैंने ये किया है, now let me go ahead and take Punch Beat on. Was it the character? Was it the role? Was it your preparation? Was it suiting you as your physical stature? Was it suiting your mental setup? Was it a part of your plan? What was it that made you take Punch Beat on?
So Neeraj, I'll tell you. So all these experiences of me of doing Pyar Tune Kya Kiya from
Yeah.
Lalish. These were episodics which I did, like
Yes.
3 days of shoot.
Yes.
So it was
Yes.
kind of a workshop for me to understand, because it comes on television. A
Yeah,
lot of people
yeah.
they don't
Yeah.
go on the detailing of like how
Yeah.
you have performed, how director
Yeah.
has come out, how
Yes,
the production
yes,
has come out.
yes,
So
yes.
that I can definitely say that could have been a great workshop for me to understand how it totally works, especially the acting part,
Yeah.
emotions part. So
Yeah.
Punch Beat, when it started happening, I was not so much aware of the process of acting, but I had one thing I understood was emotions. Because
Yes.
after reality shows, so I'll tell you how reality shows also
Priyank,
work.
you're against
Since
Shark,
wait.
and you're back now.
I'm back now. I'm back.
You're back now.
So
Hanji,
this
you're
is
back.
gonna be taking me next 2-3 minutes. A lot of people, I think, should definitely understand what I'm trying to say, because
Yes.
it is something which I've actually understood after all those years.
And very important for all the aspirants to know. तो ध्यान से सुनो. हाँ जी.
So reality show is a zone.
Yeah.
So it's an entertainment zone where we
Yeah.
enter for like a particular day. Like for roadies, we
Yeah.
shoot for 30 days.
Yeah.
For splits, we shoot for 27 days, and बाद
Yeah.
में उसका telecast
हाँ,
होता है. Like you must
हाँ,
be knowing
हाँ.
that.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
And
yeah.
only Big Boss is the show which comes live.
Which continues,
like
yes.
एक दिन के बाद जो
Yes,
वो दिखाते हैं.
yes,
It
yes.
is only that show.
Yeah.
When I was in roadies, I saw that there was a Priyank.
Yeah.
The most purest form of Priyank,
Yeah.
who has never faced television, and the most pure, not
Yeah.
fame kuch nahi, nothing, zero name,
yeah,
nothing like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
You'll get to see that.
Yeah.
And then Splitsvilla, you will see a Priyank where he's got a little bit of
Yes.
fame and
He
name and all of
understands,
that. Boy
yes.
coming from north.
Yeah.
वैसे ही हमारे already we
Yeah.
are already up in the sky. हम already चढ़ जाते हैं थोड़े से.
चढ़ जाते हैं,
Then Big
exactly.
Boss happened. All
हाँ
these.
जी.
So Splitsvilla was a different phase altogether. So all these
Yeah.
phases, if I see, Splitsvilla was a show, was a dating concept.
Yes.
So I've handled it really well.
Yes.
Roadies
yes.
was a show where it was all about task and
Strength and,
adventure.
yeah.
I handled it really well. Now
Yes.
Big Boss is a mixture of all
Combination
these
of
things.
everything. Yes.
And it's all these reality shows I've done in 1 year. So
Yes.
I tell
Yeah,
people
yeah.
that I'm the
Yeah.
second guy in this
Yeah.
entire
After
India,
Prince.
after
Yeah.
Prince Bhai,
Yes.
who has done this. So
Yes.
what I've understood, how it has helped me in acting, that to understand if I see Roadies was a different Priyank, Splitsvilla
Yeah.
was a different Priyank,
Yeah.
Big Boss was a different Priyank. All are
Yeah,
me,
there is an evolution.
but
There is a graph
there's
to
an
Priyank.
evolution. There's
There is
a
a graph to
Priyank,
Priyank.
his personality,
Yeah.
the phases he's going through that time.
Yeah.
And I actually, before starting Punch Beat, I
Yeah.
was just analyzing my own self. Because what happened during Punch Beat, I understood that in acting, there is a very special thing known as characterization.
Yes.
उससे पहले प्रियांक एकदम
प्रियांक
ओरिजिनल
था।
फॉर्म में था, तो
प्रियांक था.
आपको कैरेक्टराइजेशन समझने के लिए सबसे पहले अपने आप को अच्छे से जानना होता है.
Yes.
I
Very
followed
well
all
said.
my shows. I
Yeah.
followed all my shows to understand what actually Priyank is, and how could he react to certain things.
Yes.
That really helped me to understand characterization, because Priyank Roadies was a different
Yes.
character,
Yes.
different
Yes.
character.
Yeah.
So now knowing me, Punch
Yeah.
Beat, Rahat was my character.
Character, yes,
Rahat
yes.
was a different character altogether.
Yeah.
I was not trained into acting. So, this is how I have understood my process of learning of acting and training myself, of understanding to find my characterization and find my personality into it.
But Priyank, acting is all about observing. So
True
you
that.
have gone ahead and observed yourself,
Yeah.
which is a
Yeah, I
great
have.
way to
I
learn
have.
too.
I have.
Because you went ahead, correct me if I'm wrong, you went ahead and understood Priyank 1, Priyank 2,
Yeah.
Priyank 3
Priyank 3.
as
Yeah,
three
you
different
can say that.
characters.
You can
And
say
you
that.
realize that, okay, you know what? This is how Priyank responds in various situations. Now when
Yes,
you had to
that's
become Rahat, so I see all of that as your preparation and all of that as your research.
But it is very much, Neeraj, it was not something which I sat on. It was something,
Huh.
again, since it's in my case that universe was, just telling me and guiding me to understand ke,
Priyank, you're again gone.
1 second. Is it by any chance Neeraj? Am I back? Am I
You're back. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm back. All right.
Yeah.
Perfect. So talking about Punch Beat, जब Punch Beat शुरू हुआ, तो I only had an idea about emotions. But while shooting it, I understood the process of acting and the process of finding your characterization. It is that simple.
Yes.
So from finding Priyank 1.0 to 2.0 to 3.0, like if you see all these mix put together.
Keep talking. You're gone though, but keep talking. You'll come back.
Okay. All right. I'm not going ahead right
Yeah,
now.
you're there.
I'm back. So after talking about Priyank 3.0, then I came to Rahat. I just tried making my own, character because मैंने कोई reference नहीं उठाया किसी से, because we do that a lot of times. Like Holiday, when I did one of the web series as well. So that character was something which is Priyank, a little bit of Priyank, but a little bit different also. So yes, we go ahead and see how other actors, brilliant actors of Hollywood or maybe artists, because we all take references. We all do whenever we are going ahead and all that.
That's research. Yes.
It is as simple as that. So for Rahat, I understood how while shooting Punch Beat, how it all works, and it just started happening. Yeah, you just have to ask for it.
First of all, that's the only reason. Bolo. Sorry.
You have to ask for it. Second thing, which is most important, a lot of people, they compliment me, and I feel that is the only compliment from which I really feel proud of myself when people give it to me. Then when people come to me and say that you're very honest about your work. It is very important for us to be very honest about, putting us across, even with our mistakes, even with our failures. So, but it has to be yours. So that's what I just want to tell people, that, whatever it is, you have to own it up. It is very simple as that.
Two very important things जो प्रियांक ने बोली. First is polish your uniqueness. जो आपकी uniqueness है ना, उसको रखो. And second, do not be fearful of failures. Failures तो सबसे ज्यादा आपको जिंदगी में सिखाते हैं. And Priyank, taking your conversation forward, आपने जैसा बोला ना, Rahat became Rahat, and I can tell you this because I've seen the whole series. I've binge watched the whole Punch Beat.
Oh, thank you. I remember you coming on the screen.
I have, yes.
Thank you.
So, please. So Rahat became Rahat because you made it on your own. Yeah. You brought in that flavor and you made Rahat unique, and that's why Rahat did not look like X ka copy or a Y ka copy.
Yeah. It was like
that's why Rahat became Rahat.
To you guys. Yeah, that's fine.
So it's a very beautiful thing. Now, my next question was, after you have gone ahead and done this, now you have gone and done a few music albums as well.
Yeah.
Which is, Tera Buzz Jeene Na De, Sara India.
Yeah, Sara
India. And with Badshah and Astha Gill.
Yeah.
I want to understand now, what are we planning? Was this a way to showcase our full offering, which is that I'm a dancer and choreographer as well, I'm an actor, and I'm coming very direct, because this is for people to know.
Please go
ahead. Are we trying to kind of now show everything that we can do, or is this again a plan?
So it is actually, so I'll tell you, you will always set plans. We all set plans in our lives.
Yes.
But sometimes universe comes out with something or the other which we never know. In future.
Yeah.
You have to always be smart. See, we all are hardworking. We all are hardworking.
Yes.
A lot of people lack in is about working smart.
Yes.
So you have to be smart. You have to be really smart.
You're gone again.
All right. Am I back?
No.
And
you're back now. Yes, you're back.
Sorry about that. So, talking about them, so where was I?
You were saying that it was, how we go ahead and we plan, but
exactly.
We smart worker, not just a hard worker, a smart worker.
Yeah, smart worker. You have to be very smart when it comes to work. So you need to know what life is coming out with and how you have to actually mold it.
Exactly.
It's very important for you to see. You have to be smart with that. You cannot be just be like, "Acha, theek hai, chalo kar lenge," and not. So music albums came. Badshah Bhai, Astha Gill came to me. It was a great pleasure working with these brilliant artists.
And life is all about collaborations.
Exactly, it's about collaborations. First of all, a lot of people in India, they don't understand collaborations.
इसीलिए मैं शब्द बोलता जा रहा हूँ ताकि इन सबको बातें सुनाई दे.
Guys, artist collaboration is one of the most purest and the most important things for things
for you to take it to the next level.
For you to take it to the next level, because it's all about taking it and climbing it, using each other hand by hand, and it just goes like that. It is very simple. when it
मैं
comes
लाइव
to-
बताता हूँ ना, दूर का एग्जांपल क्या जाना है, मेरे वही 40-42 हजार फॉलोअर है, प्रियांक के 3.3
अरे
है। आज जो
no!
इतने सारे आके देख रहे हो, आज जो इतने सारे आके देख रहे हो, it is because of this collaboration. No, I'm being
Yeah,
very,
true
very
that.
honest.
That's
And
so true.
yeah,
That's actually
because
true. That's
because
true.
at the
Yes.
end of the day, people have forgotten one thing. Sorry, Priyanka, I'll just take a minute. One thing people have forgotten is ये हमने episode 1 जब unfollow का हो रहा था ना, this had come out. What is important, hard work or smart work? I had gone ahead and said very clearly smart work.
Smart
So
work.
guys, if you guys had listened to earlier episodes, you will realize that Priyank is again telling you smart work is very important. It's not just about hard work. Second thing, आने वाले टाइम में ये जो आप लोग सब इतना डर रहे हो ना, कोरोना कोरोना कोरोना, आई एम सिटिंग हियर एंड टेलिंग यू लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल अबाउट कोलैबोरेशंस.
True.
If you only believe in competition, you are the biggest fool on this planet.
Fool on this
There is
planet.
a word called co-opetition, which is
Yeah.
cooperation plus
That's so
competition,
true. That's
and that is equivalent to collaboration.
Yes.
Priyank, please continue.
That's what you've said, something really great. I totally agree to what you're saying, and you've given me a new word also. What was that word, Neeraj? If I
Co-opetition. So it is called co-opetition.
So people
it's
then will also
cooperation.
get
Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
co-opetition. It is it's competition plus cooperation. When
Cooperation.
two things come together, you
Yeah.
do co-opetition, which is
Co-opetition.
almost like collaborating. Yes.
That's so true. And that's so positive, I feel, at the same
It
time.
is.
Collaborations
It
are
is.
so positive, are so
Exactly.
healthy. People just need to
Exactly.
realize how important they are for an artist to go
हम
ahead.
हम लोग भूल गए ना, इंसान सोशल आदमी, सोशल एनिमल है. जब तक हम सोशल नहीं होंगे तब तक कुछ नहीं आगे होगा.
People, they don't feel like competing. So whenever I'm in dance, so how I found myself, Neeraj, you know
Yeah.
how?
Yeah.
The best form, because I've given dance the maximum number of hours in my life. That's
Yes.
one of the
Yes.
arts.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
जब भी मैं और क्या होता है, डांस जब हम करते हैं स्टूडियोज में, तो हम शीशे के
हाँ.
सामने खड़े होते हैं
शीशे के सामने करते हैं.
अकेला. और मैं क्या ऊपर से होता, like since after Big Boss and
Yeah,
all of that,
yeah,
अभी I've
yeah.
started rehearsing on my own. Like I am
Oh, yeah.
alone in my studio.
Yeah. Yeah. I've
So
seen
I
the videos.
feel
Yeah.
who is my competition? Especially I have
Yeah.
a mirror in front of me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The answer
yeah,
is
yeah.
there. It's
yeah,
me.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
me myself. There's no.
Very well said.
It is
Very
as
well
simple as
said.
that. So whenever I'm there in a dance studio, what thought which just comes in my head always, looking at
Yeah.
the mirror, that you are my fucking competition. Sorry
Yeah,
for my French, guys. It's
No,
like, it's
please.
just like emotions.
This
So
is
you
digital.
are my fucking
Go on.
competitions, yeah.
Yeah.
This man is my competition out there who's
Yeah.
standing next to me, which is
Yeah.
who's me
Yeah,
only.
yeah, yeah,
So please,
yeah.
guys, you need to understand your competition is gonna be you. If you try to achieve and try to be someone like
Yeah.
you will fail in that, because you will
Ex-
not be able to be yourself. So that's where you will be lacking. Understand that. Understand that.
The most
I've realized.
honest competition, guys, the most honest competition you can ever have in your you can ever have in your life is with yourself. Because I will give you a live example जिसका आंसर मुझे पता है आप क्या बोलोगे. क्या आप प्रियांक शर्मा बन सकते हो? नहीं.
Exactly.
क्या प्रियांक शर्मा आप बन सकता है? नहीं. क्या प्रियांक शर्मा मिस्टर गाबा बन सकता है? नहीं. क्या मिस्टर गाबा प्रियांक शर्मा बन सकते हैं? नहीं. You
True that,
only have to go and better yourself. That is the only task you have at hand. That is why this unfollow is there. Follow अगर किसी को कर रहे हो तो एक एस्पिरेशन के लिए करो, सीखने के लिए करो, रिसर्च के लिए करो, कॉपी करने के लिए नहीं करो. क्योंकि आपकी और उनकी जिंदगी बिल्कुल दो डिफरेंट लाइव्स हैं. यू गाइज डू नॉट हैव द सेम लाइफ, सो डू नॉट ट्राई एंड कॉपी. ये बहुत ही हैवी बातें हो गई प्रियांक. Now I'm going to go ahead. इन लोगों को बहुत सिखा दिया. Now let people have fun at your expense.
Please go.
I go ahead and tell everybody कि हम लोग जब जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं ना, हमें सबको अपना SWOT करना चाहिए. SWOT meaning S is strengths, W is weakness, O is opportunities, and T is threats. Now
Right.
Priyank Sharma, let's do your SWOT in front of the world. What is Priyank Sharma's strengths?
My strength is my mom,
Mom.
and at the same time Ben.
At the same time,
Ben.
Ben. Okay. Your weakness.
Both of them. Again,
Okay.
both of them.
What are the opportunities that you see?
Opportunities that I see,
Yes.
it's like just bring it on. Like, there's no specific opportunity. I just challenge life, saying that bring it on. It's
Okay.
as simple as that.
What are the
Whatever.
threats? What is the threat in your life? What is the threat that you see in terms of your professional life? Not forget about personal. Any threat that we see?
So I'm a very big critic actually in life.
Yeah.
I'm not a harsh critic or a rude critic. No. I'm a critic. I'm an honest critic which comes out to be very honest in front of people's faces.
I am exactly the same.
If either I don't speak, either I don't speak Neeraj at all. Right?
Yeah.
If I speak, I tell them that, I am a person who wants to help you out. So I don't think so. A lot of people, they go ahead and tell people that truth.
Honestly, yes, they
honestly.
don't.
So I am one of them that okay मैं जाके मुंह पे बता दूंगा भाई मुझे अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा. Please understand, it is, and I'm telling you, and I'm giving you a feedback. A lot of people won't be able to give, so that you can improve.
Yes.
So I totally feel that I'm such a big critic. It sometimes becomes my own threat because मैं अपने आप को criticize करने लग जाता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
So honest.
Everybody, my friends and Ben also, sometimes she's like that, Pri, why are you so strong in your head as a critic? I'm like, I'm so sorry, Ben. It's just that even if I won't be able to achieve there, at least my understanding is there, So that is also very important at the same time. So yeah, it's just me becoming a critic of my own.
But first time, Priyank, I've heard anybody saying this, and this is the most honest answer
I am
that
telling
I've ever
you,
got.
like, I don't see any of, like, today if I talk about, please, like, with all due respect, I don't see my projects. Because if I see, I'm like, oh my God, I don't see, like, I've seen Punch once, I've seen Holiday just once. You just see, and I'm like, okay, God, no.
Yeah, okay.
It's just like so bad. I can't see myself on that. I can't, like, it's just like so much to grow and so much to learn. So let me just focus on that. Let me just work on it. So I cannot cherish it.
इतना भी सच मत बोल, ये सारे आपके ही फॉलोअर हैं.
But it's just that you feel it like that. You feel it like that. So sometimes I feel like I don't cherish a lot of moments. Also,
I know.
A lot of times wish I should.
But you should. Which you should.
I should.
Okay. Okay. The second thing is your name is Priyank. Okay. Now, whatever the first word as an adjective that comes to your mind, P stands for
peace.
Peace. R for
R for rest.
I for
I. Think about yourself. Love yourself.
beautiful. Y for
Why? Why should be deleted only? Like, why should be deleted? There has to be, if you start finding reasons in your life, you'll always be finding reasons, so ignore. Exactly. That's how I feel.
I would have, okay. A for
You want to say something? Come on, go.
No!
Go for it. You want to say something? I don't want you to cut. Come on, go for it. A for is has to be like what? Apple? Atmosphere.
Okay.
Just ambience.
Okay. N for
what is it?
N. Your name. N.
Oh, all right. N is for neat.
Never say no.
Never say no. Neat, like mostly neat because I'm an OCD guy, so I'm mostly relating it to myself. So.
I was coming with Y for youthful, but anyways.
Oh yes, Y for
K
youthful.
for.
Oh, I heard Y as WHY, so it was my
silly.
bad.
It's your name, no.
It's my bad. My completely bad. And K for kindness, any day.
That you are. It reflects
be very
in
kind.
it reflects. It reflects
important.
in your eyes. It reflects in your humility. It reflects in the way you express. So kindness you are. Now, 3 questions. Current interests, huh? Current interests. So don't take it to heart.
No,
Acting or dancing?
Both here. Both.
You can't choose. A father can't choose between his two sons.
I can't choose because अभी दोनों पे hold आ रहा है धीरे-धीरे करके.
धीरे-धीरे करके.
So I'm loving the entire process and the journey. So it's
very good.
Crazy, yeah.
Okay. TV, digital or films?
I think digital. I'll answer it also. Why?
Yeah.
Because
please do.
It's globally there now.
Perfect.
Once you come on digital, you are a global. If you go on Netflix, if you go on Amazon, it gives you a platform. Like we all are, like a lot of people would be like, oh, isko Bollywood mein nahi aana, aisa kuch nahi. I love Bollywood. It has been but it's just that we as humans always want to, see our growth, and that's how I see. Like I want to now. Like I feel that in the next 5 years we all want to be there in Netflix original films, so that globally people can see us internationally out there. So
मैं एक गुस्ताखी करूं? You coming across as one with brains and bronze.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, now last but not the least.
Yes.
Big Boss or Punch Beat? I want one answer.
Oh my God. Oh my, it's like, so I'll tell you.
Last
Oh my
but
God,
not
that's
least,
very
कहिए।
difficult. That's very difficult.
इसीलिए last
See, I'll tell you
है।
why is it so difficult, because Big Boss is professionally was great, and
Yeah.
I got my personal life, a sweet personal life where I got Binafsha also.
Yes, yes.
So though Big Boss was a great journey, but I see
Personal
always
and
the positive
professional.
sides.
Yeah.
So you know, it all just
Yeah.
got so blended so
Beautifully
nicely.
together.
And
Yeah.
again, Punchbeat was my first project
Acting, yeah.
of acting.
Yeah.
So they both are very, very close. Yeah, how to say? I
We-
still
we-
be giving it to Big Boss then. मैं Big Boss को दे दूंगा फिर. Because it just adds my personal aspect also with it. I
Wonderful.
really feel that a personal life, because I've been at a point in life also
Yeah,
where
yeah.
my personal life at particular age when I was
Yeah,
seeing a lot
yeah,
of transition
yeah,
in my life and
yeah,
changes also
yeah,
evolving.
yeah, yeah.
It was like really screwed up and messed
Fragile,
up.
yeah.
You know, so I totally understand how important is the personal peace for a
Personal
human
peace,
to
yes.
even grow further. Otherwise, you will be stuck with your personal life here and there, and professionally, then you are just not there.
Yeah.
So
See-
I feel that that's why.
I was just not saying beauty, brains with bronze. इतने tricky question को भी Priyank has answered it with so much of panache and so much of
Oh, thank
honesty and something which is so grounded. Guys, please remember, like Priyank said very beautifully, when personal life is there, professionally you can conquer a lot, and it
A
has to
lot.
be a mix. And
Yeah.
Priyank, this says 1,000 words about you, that the kind of, like you used K for kindness. This says that you just don't only say the word, you actually mean it and you believe it in life.
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank
So
you. I've
thank
seen
you
it, I've
so
seen it.
much.
Like
Yeah.
I honestly taking 2 more minutes. I would like
Yeah,
to
please
say,
do.
I know
Please.
There was times that I feel that my mother's happiness or my family's happiness is way more than enough,
More
and it is
important.
supposed to be that also.
Yes.
It's
yes.
way more important than anything
Yeah.
else.
Yeah.
Me achieving
Yeah.
it. A lot of times I do a project, it
Yeah.
will not end up satisfying me, but
Yeah.
hugging my mother or maybe
Yeah.
the people I love.
Yeah.
I should say.
Yeah.
It gives you
Yeah.
so much
Yeah.
peace and so much,
Peace.
satisfaction
Yeah.
inside that
Yeah.
they are
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
You're taking
Yeah.
care of
Yeah.
them. That is a bigger peace and bigger strength I feel that you get out of
It
people.
is.
And
It
plus,
is.
my
It is.
teacher, so a lot of people would be knowing her also. Lauren have come when we were in Shamak, and a lot of other teachers used to, take workshops. So they all used to tell us in Shamak that it is such one of the great things they have always told us, that before
Yeah.
becoming a great artist,
Yeah. You need to become a great human being.
you need to become a great human being.
human
Your
being.
talent is zero
Yeah.
when you're not a great
Yeah.
human. It is
Yes.
zero. Like for me,
Yes.
if
Yes.
a person is not great, the talent becomes just completely zero.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys,
Who
please
wants-
always remember that you being a great human being in life
Yeah.
is very important. And वो फिर honesty के साथ साथ आपके काम में भी दिख जाता है. अबे
और
काम में
जैसा
भी
आपने और जैसा आपने बोला ना, बीइंग अ ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड बीइंग अ स्मार्ट वर्कर, लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं पता अभी इसके बाद क्या जवाब सवाल आने शुरू हो गए, नहीं मैं बहुत अच्छा इंसान हूं या बहुत अच्छी इंसान हूं, पर मेरे साथ लोग हमेशा गलत करते हैं. बट प्लीज रिमेंबर, यू नीड टू बी स्मार्ट एज वेल. विजडम इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. ये जो ऊपर का माला है ना, इसको भी इस्तेमाल करो.
एक चीज और विजडम
हाँ.
में अब जब हम स्मार्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन टेक इट नेगेटिवली आल्सो.
Okay.
So now giving another perspective towards it, since I've thought about it.
Yeah.
जब भी अपना काम करो ना, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि अपना फायदा मत निकलवाओ. Always
Yeah.
make sure आप अपना फायदा निकाल रहे हो, लेकिन
Yeah.
दूसरे का नुकसान कभी मत होने दो अपने
Never.
काम के चक्कर में.
Wisdom
Over
never
there,
says, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Over there
Yeah.
we go wrong. I feel
Yeah.
that over
Yeah,
there
yeah,
we
yeah.
go wrong.
Yeah,
A
yeah,
lot of
yeah.
times जब हम, because मुझसे नहीं होता है. It
No,
is like
no.
I cannot go ahead and
Yeah.
really screw anybody.
Yeah.
To just get out something for myself.
Something,
Like
yes.
I have never. A lot of people have done it out from me. A lot of
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
You know them.
I can
a lot,
imagine.
The world
I can
knows it.
imagine.
Yeah, so
I can
I've
imagine.
really seen that.
Yeah.
But वो मुझसे नहीं होता है. Like
Yeah.
कि मैं अपना फायदा निकालूं
No,
और
no,
दूसरे
no.
का नुकसान कर दूं. No, that
See,
is not.
we are wisdom in no way means that you end up becoming
Yes.
it's digital, I can use the word, you end up becoming an asshole.
Yeah, true that. If you see, you
Wisdom-
become an asshole.
Yeah. Wisdom means कि आप अपना पूरा एक बैलेंस आउट करके चलो. वो बोलते हैं ना कि ये मेरा रास्ता है, मैं आपके लिए कभी गलत नहीं करूंगा, पर मैं अपने लिए सही करूंगा.
सही करूंगा.
कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि आपको बहुत सारी चीजें जिंदगी में मिलेंगी जहां पे आपको लगेगा कि शायद मेरा ये स्टेप किसी के साथ गलत कर देगा.
Yeah.
That is where wisdom steps in. Either you do not do it or you find a way to do it, wherein the other person is not harmed.
Calm.
That
That's so
is
important.
wisdom.
That's so important. I really think ये वाला हमें live वैसे ना नीरज, we should download this live.
I'm
It's such a great
I'm
conversation.
recording it. Yes,
It's
I'm
such a
recording
great
this and I'm going to
conversation
share
happening.
it. Yes,
Yeah, man.
yes,
That's,
yes.
it's like
it is.
a lot of people should actually watch it to understand
Watch,
because
yes,
they've said
yes.
and exchange such great thoughts, and
I
it's
am-
so important for people to actually at this point in life to understand.
And it has happened because it has been a very honest and an open conversation. Guys, there was no this thing, मेरी
There was
कोई
nothing.
प्रियांक से पहले बात नहीं हुई है, कोई
कुछ
उनको कुछ
नहीं.
पता नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, और
I
आपको
was like,
शायद दिख
Neeraj,
भी रहा
yeah,
है.
go
Yeah,
ahead.
yeah,
Simple,
and it's
like, whatever
and
question.
it's so beautiful. And now I'm so happy that Priyank, that you have become a part of this Unfollow family.
Thank you.
Because
Thank you.
because you know the honesty, the like the whole idea behind was the people who are wanting to get inspired, the aspirational value. You have taken it to another level with this honesty. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
It
Thank
means
you
a
so
ton.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
No,
you.
it's a
Thank
pleasure.
you, Priyank.
Pleasure, Neeraj.
Any two lines
Thank
that
you,
you'd like to
Neeraj.
say before you leave, because we don't want to keep you for too long.
I just want to say right now, talking about quarantine, since now this is our main goal for people to actually
Yeah.
come out of it, because we have to fight it
Yes.
together, guys. Please
Yes.
understand everybody is in the same situation, all of us. So it's always better if you guys really can go ahead and help people out there, because I just was watching news. I'm keeping an eye every day, in the evening, afternoon, and morning once I get up, that what is happening. A lot of policemen are out there have got corona because they were serving the nation. And if
Yes.
that goes and if that spreads, it's going to be
Yeah.
really, really dangerous for the country. Because अगर वो लोग नहीं होंगे, डॉक्टर्स नहीं होंगे, पुलिस नहीं होगी, तो हमें संभालेगा कौन?
Come on.
So
Exactly.
please, I know extensions होए जा रहे हैं, आगे और भी हो सकते हैं. मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, आगे और भी हो सकते हैं,
हो
because
सकते हैं, yeah.
we can't
Especially
blame
in the red
government.
zones.
Exactly,
Yeah.
especially in the red zones, we can't blame the
Yeah.
government. They are also, facing it, watching it for the first
It's
time.
an
They are humans
unprecedented
themselves.
thing. Yeah, it has never
Exactly.
happened in the
They're
world.
humans themselves. They are right now figuring how to do it. Just be
Yeah.
patient, be very
Yeah.
calm, and take it as holidays. Like, अगर आप घर पे नहीं बैठ पा रहे तो आप बस यही सोचिए कि घर पे छुट्टियां चल रही हैं. That's the best thing to right now. Vacations है 2 महीने के, जून जुलाई के.
और जैसा हमने आप लोगों को पहले बोला, सर पे छत है, खाने को खाना है, पहनने को कपड़ा है, सेहत साथ है. इससे ज्यादा जरूरी इस समय
इस
में
वक्त कुछ भी
आपके लिए कुछ होना भी नहीं चाहिए. So like Priyank said, please be respectful for who are taking care of you on the outside, which is policemen, MCD, doctors, everybody who's working on the outside to keep you safe. And they will only be able to do this अगर आप अपने घर पे रहो.
घर पे रहेंगे.
So stay home, stay safe.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Priyank. You are
Thank
such
you,
a
Neeraj.
delight.
Thank
You are such
You
a delight.
are, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure for me. That day also in TEDx, I think we had a great time.
Thank you.
Knowing
Yes.
about each other,
We
and
all
today
do.
also I think it's a great. We need to meet very, very soon once
We do.
this quarantine. Yes, we will.
do.
We will definitely be meeting. I will tell Anusha also to
Yes.
meet.
We
and
should.
make a
We
plan.
should
We
do
all
a
will plan and
gang
we'll
up.
definitely gang up and have a great conversation. And you please
will.
take. I hope you're doing very well.
I am.
Right
I
now.
am with God. I mean, with the Almighty's grace, everything is fine.
right.
And thank you so much. And I'm glad
Thank
to see
you.
that you're also hale and hearty. Please
Yes.
give our love, everybody's love to Benafsha as well. I'm
I
sure
will,
they
I
all
will
love you.
definitely.
And please smile before you go, because they all are dying to see your dimples. How many of them have written dimples, dimples, dimples? Dekh lo dimples.
So sweet, that's so sweet, right? All right. Thank you.
Thank you,
guys.
Priyank.
so
Thanks
much.
a
Thank
ton.
you,
It was
Neeraj. I'll
lovely.
see you very soon. right?
I'll see you very
Bye,
soon. Thanks a
bye,
ton.
bye,
Thank you.
guys.
Bye, Babu. Bye. Bye. So guys, this was Priyank Sharma. मतलब जितनी तारीफ करूं, जितना बोलूं, उतना कम है. आप लोगों ने सबने सुना, इतनी ऑनेस्टी से, इतनी ह्यूमिलिटी से वो हमें कितने अच्छे से जिंदगी के बारे में बता गए. सो प्लीज अनफॉलो एज अ सीरीज इज ऑल अबाउट, जिनके बारे में आप बोलते हो ना, अरे ये यहां पहुंच गए हैं, वो लोग आकर आपको अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि उन्होंने क्या प्लान किया, क्या सोचा, कैसे बिना दुनिया के बारे में सुने, अपने मन की, अपनी प्रिपरेशन की सुनी और फिर जिंदगी आगे लेके गए. So today it was Unfollow with Priyank Sharma. On 4th May at 6 p.m. we are going to have Eli Avram. So please do join in. That is going to be the next session of Unfollow. It was wonderful having you all. Thank you so much. You all are very loving, kind and caring. Please stay home. Please stay safe. And I'll see you on 4th of May at 6 p.m. Insta Live with Eli Avram. Thank you. Take good care.